Om Shri Matre Namaha. Hello, my divine viewers. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to Vedic Dream Meaning. In today's video, we learn about another special topic, Kritika Nakshatra. This nakshatra symbolizes purification, discipline, and brilliance. We are going to discuss about the meaning of Kritika Nakshatra, its symbolism, personality traits, how it influences your career, relationship, and the challenges you would normally face. And not only that, like always, we will also provide you with some easy solutions that you can implement right at your home to strengthen your nakshatra and tap into its full potential. Trust me, we are revealing some unique points that probably you wouldn't find in Google. So if you're curious to know that how Bani Nakshatra shapes those born under it, stay tuned. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such astrology updates. Before we start looking into Bharani specifically, let's talk about nakshatras in general for basic understanding. In Vedic astrology, the 12 Rashis are further divided into 27 nakshatras or stars, each spanning 13 degrees and 20 minutes. These nakshatras add a layer of depth and specificity to a person's personality, especially in areas related to their moon sign. While Rashis provide a broad characteristic, nakshatras will give you some intricate details about one's nature, their strengths, karmic tendencies, etc. Let's make it easy. For example, the address says Bangalore, then nakshatras indicate where in Bangalore the person is living. Is it Indiranagar? Is it Malleshwaram? Is it Basveshnagar? Etc. These nakshatras are further divided into 4 padas, each possessing distinct characteristics and influences which will add more clarity. For example, it's like saying 100 feet road in Indiranagar. Each nakshatra is associated with a symbol, a ruler and specific qualities which will combine to give you a fuller understanding of an individual's personality. The nakshatra of the moon at the time of your birth is particularly important as it will reflect your core emotional nature, instincts and overall outlook in life. Kritika Nakshatra spans from 26 degrees 40 minutes Aries to 10 degrees Taurus and is ruled by the planet Sun. Its symbol is a razor or a blade, representing sharpness, cutting through ignorance and purification. Presiding deity is Agni, the fire god, which symbolizes transformation and energy. Kritika itself means cutter, so the razor here symbolizes sharpness, precision and transformation. Just as a blade cuts away all the impurities, this nakshatra signifies purification and the ability to get to the heart of the matter. This also reflects a no-nonsense and a direct approach in those people born under this nakshatra. Agni, the god of fire, is the ruling deity of Kritika Nakshatra. Agni represents purity, energy and the ability to burn away the negativity. This gives Kritika Nakshatra people a natural ability to transform their lives and the lives of others. They often have a natural drive for truth, discipline and personal growth. The ruling planet of Kritika is the sun, which brings qualities of leadership, ambition and brilliance. Natives under Kritika Nakshatra are often drawn to roles which require authority or leadership. The sun also gives them a warm and radiant personality, though it can sometimes make them appear strict or someone who is egoistic. Kritika's fiery energy is rooted in transformation, courage and willpower. You are often driven to overcome obstacles, purifying the surroundings and pursue personal or spiritual growth. Kritika-born people have a strong sense of discipline and determination. They are natural leaders who thrive in structured environments and are often seen as reliable and hardworking. So they have an inner fire which gives them and drives them to achieve their goals with focus and hard work. Since they are represented by the razor, Kritika Nakshatra people have a very sharp mind. They have the ability to cut through confusion and analyze the situations with clarity. This makes them excellent problem solvers and they are very analytical in both personal as well as in professional life. They usually tend to have broad shoulders since the last 3 padas fall in the Rishabha Rashi, which denotes a bull. Kritika Nakshatra is closely associated with purification and transformation like we discussed earlier. So you often experience major changes in your lives which help you to grow and evolve. This transformative energy also makes them excellent motivators for others as you inspire those around you to strive for improvement. While Kritika is fiery and sharp, its placement in Taurus gives it a nurturing quality as well. So you are often protective of your loved ones and you may act as providers or guardians to them. So this combination of protection and discipline makes you both strong and a very caring individual. Also, you'll be very close to your mothers compared to your fathers in general. Ruled by the sun, Kritika natives are deeply passionate and ambitious. They seek recognition and often work tirelessly to achieve their goals. You ensure that everybody treats you with respect and dignity. Again, that's another quality of the sun. The sharp and precise energy of Kritika can sometimes make you overly critical and judgmental, both of yourself and others. So this can strain your relationships, friendships, and can even lead to isolation, especially in marital life. Kritika Nakshatra males mostly have bad eating habits, and this may also lead to health issues later in life. And the Kritika Nakshatra females mostly experience emotional highs and lows. Ruled by the fire in the sun, Kritika natives may have short temper or find it challenging to manage the fiery emotions, especially when it comes to stressful situations, be it personal or professional life. You may not be suited for joint business ventures. The Taurus influence in Kritika can make you a little stubborn and rigid, especially when it comes to your beliefs and decisions or being dominated. Their natural leadership qualities because of the sun can sometimes come across as domineering or overly controlling, particularly when it comes to personal relationships. Kritika natives may struggle with adapting to situations that require compromise or flexibility, as they prefer clear structures and defined goals. Kritika natives will excel in professions that require precision, leadership, and discipline. So suitable career paths will include military, police, or defense roles, leadership positions in private or government offices, professions like cooking, metallurgy, or anything involving fire, spiritual leadership or counseling roles, creative fields like fashion design or jewelry making due to the Taurus influence. When it comes to the work ethic, you have a strong work ethic and are often seen as reliable and focused. However, your sharp nature means you prefer working independently or in leadership roles rather than taking orders from others or in joint ventures. In love, Kritika natives are passionate and protective. They are deeply loyal to their partners and expect the same in return. However, the perfectionism and sharp nature that they have can sometimes make them come across as very demanding or overly critical. And when it comes to family life is very important for Kritika natives. They often take on the role of a provider and protector, ensuring that their loved ones are safe and well taken care of. When it comes to compatibility, Kritika is most compatible with nakshatras that can handle their fiery energy and someone who can match their need for structuring and ambitions. So for example, Rohini, Uttara Falguni and other Taurus or Sun-ruled nakshatras are good matches for Kritika. Since Kritika falls both in Aries as well as Taurus, when Kritika falls in Aries, its fiery energy is very amplified. People who belong to the padas of Kritika, who under the Aries, are bold, action-oriented and they're driven by ambition. They will excel in even high pressure or competitive environments. Whereas the Kritika natives under the padas of the Taurus Rashi, the Kritika's energy becomes more grounded. So these natives are more focused on material success, beauty and nurturing their surroundings. They may have a calmer and more composed outlook compared to the Aries placement people. Like always in our channel, we not only discuss about the challenges, we also provide you with some simple remedies you can follow that will strengthen your nakshatra and you can tap into the full potential. To receive blessings and tap into the positive energies of this Kritika nakshatra, we suggest at least once in your lifetime, try visiting at least one of the 6 abodes of Lord Muruga. According to the Skanda Puran, he is also known as Kartikeya because he was raised by the 6 maidens called as Kritikas or Kartikai nakshatras, who were blessed by him for their faithful service. Therefore, anyone born in this nakshatra will benefit from praying to Lord Kartikeya. Also, keeping a sword in the form of a keychain or artifacts will prove beneficial to you. For your star as the ruler is Agni, the god of fire, before starting any important phase in your life, perform a homa. This will be very helpful for your progress. Since you are ruled by the sun, chanting or listening to Aditya Hridayam Stotram and performing Surya Namaskar daily will enhance your sun's energy. Also, try to avoid late hours eating, especially after the sunset. Favorable colors are red, orange or a fusion of both. I hope this video was helpful. We will discuss the other nakshatras in the upcoming videos. To get notified, do subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any thoughts you would like to share about Kritika Nakshatra, Please do leave your comments. We appreciate your likes and comments. Namaskaram.